Welcome, welcome. I am GromBeardo, and this is my CRF with a 132 big bore, and made it street legal. I'm doing a supermoto conversion on it later, the GROM supermoto conversion, but for now, just wanted to get it ready for a trip down to small bore rally. I put a 34 rear sprocket and a 16 tooth front. So we're just going to get a top speed run and see what it does. There we go. Thing's weird to ride. I just got off the big bike. Or the big bike. I just got off the GROM. Big compared to this. So I'll turn my lights on. Alright, I should get a good run at it here. Brakes for being drum actually work halfway decent on this thing. Let's see what we got. Thing must have loaded up when it's sitting. Float height needs adjusted. I'll get around to it. Of course this didn't work. Let's make a little rip the other way. Gotta wait for this guy to get by though. Just sit on this thing like Ava does. Alright, now we'll play catch up. Alright. Sack on. Let my sack take care of that. $63, I'll be damned. 63. 63. 63. Pretty good. Surprised.